This 2015 Newmar Bay Star 3124 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Inca Tan Decor, Empire Maple Cabinetry interior, sleeps 2, air conditioning, TV, self-contained, stove top burner, external shower, skylight, leveling jacks, slideout, refrigerator, TV antenna, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2015 Newmar Bay Star 3124 is built on a Ford F-53 Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.